History of marshmallow. Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered where marshmallows came from? These fluffy, sweet treats have been enjoyed for centuries, but their history is actually quite fascinating. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the history of marshmallows, from ancient Egypt to modern times. The ancient Egyptians used to extract sap from the root of the marshmallow plant, mix it with honey and nuts, and then shape it into small cakes. This sweet treat was reserved for the gods and was also given to pharaohs as a symbol of their status and power. The marshmallow was so highly valued in ancient Egypt that it was even buried with the dead to ensure their safe passage into the afterlife. The Greeks and Romans also used marshmallow as a medicinal herb, and it was widely used throughout the Middle Ages as a treatment for a variety of ailments. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that the modern version of the marshmallow was developed. In the early 1800s, French confectioners began whipping the sap from the marshmallow plant with sugar and egg whites to create a fluffy, sweet confection that was similar in texture to the marshmallow root. This was a labor-intensive process that required a lot of skill and patience, and marshmallows were considered a luxury item that was only enjoyed by the wealthy. By the late 19th century, the process of creating marshmallows had become fully mechanized, allowing for mass production of the sweet treat. This made marshmallows more widely available and affordable, and they quickly became a popular snack in Europe and the United States. In 1948, Alex Dumas revolutionized the process by inventing an extrusion process that could produce marshmallows with a more consistent size and shape. This made it easier to package and sell marshmallows, and it also allowed for the creation of new flavors and varieties. Marshmallows have several advantages and benefits, including 1. Marshmallows can be used in a wide range of recipes, from s'mores to crispy treats and hot chocolate. Their sweet and fluffy texture can be used in a variety of desserts and sweet treats. 2. Marshmallows are easy to prepare and require no cooking or baking skills. They can be eaten straight out of the bag, toasted over a fire or microwaved, making them a convenient snack. 3. Marshmallows are a low-fat food and contain very little saturated fat or cholesterol. This makes them a healthier snack option compared to other sweet treats like cakes and cookies. 4. Marshmallows are made from corn starch, sugar, and gelatin, which are gluten-free ingredients. This makes marshmallows an excellent snack option for people with gluten allergies or sensitivities. 5. Marshmallows are a versatile snack that can be used in recipes for people with dietary restrictions. For instance, vegan marshmallows are made without gelatin, while sugar-free marshmallows are made without sugar, making them suitable for people on a low-sugar or diabetic diet. 6. Marshmallows are low in calories and can be an excellent snack option for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. In conclusion, marshmallows are a versatile, convenient, low-fat, low-calorie snack that can be enjoyed by people with various dietary restrictions. They are perfect for satisfying a sweet tooth without the guilt of consuming high-fat or high-calorie treats. While marshmallows do have some advantages, they also have a few disadvantages, including 1. High in sugar. Marshmallows are high in sugar and can contribute to high blood sugar levels if consumed in large quantities. They can also be harmful to people with diabetes or those trying to watch their sugar intake. 2. Low in nutrients. Marshmallows contain very little nutritional value and are not a good source of vitamins, minerals, or fiber. They are considered empty calories and can lead to nutrient deficiencies if consumed in excess. 3. Many commercially produced marshmallows contain artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives that may be harmful to some people. These ingredients can also cause allergic reactions or sensitivity in some individuals. 4. Marshmallows contain gelatin, which is derived from animal products, making them unsuitable for vegetarians and vegans. 5. Marshmallows are soft and sticky, making them a choking hazard, especially for young children. It is essential to supervise children when they are eating marshmallows to prevent choking incidents. In conclusion, while marshmallows can be a tasty treat, they should be consumed in moderation due to their high sugar content and lack of nutritional value. It is also essential to check the ingredients label for any potential allergens or artificial ingredients. Additionally, parents should supervise young children when eating marshmallows to prevent choking incidents. So, there you have it. The history of marshmallows is a long and interesting one, dating back thousands of years. From ancient Egypt to modern times, marshmallows have been a beloved treat for generations. So, the next time you enjoy a marshmallow, remember the rich history behind this fluffy, sweet confection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos.